Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by inserting the SD card and confirming free space. Make sure Chrome is closed. You back up your Chrome profile because moving data can corrupt profiles. Next, enable file access for the SD card or developer options on Android, or prepare a folder on the card for desktop profiles. Once done, open the File Manager so you can copy the profile folder. This is the first actionable move to transfer Chrome data from internal storage to the SD card. You now locate the Chrome profile directory. On Windows, it's in the User App Data path. On Android, use the File Manager shell. Copy the entire profile folder to the SD card, preserving permissions and timestamps. This prevents extension or cookie errors. Once copied, modify Chrome launch options. Use userdata_dir equals with the SD card path on desktop, or change storage settings or symbolic links on Android if supported. Make sure paths match exactly, because Chrome verifies the profile integrity. Finish by starting Chrome with the new SD card location and verify bookmarks, extensions, cookies, and sync are intact. If Chrome refuses to start or shows profile errors, stop immediately and revert to your backup. This protects your data. Then check the SD card for read/write errors with a disk utility, reformat to a compatible file system if necessary, and repeat the copy while preserving permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: bad SD cards cause intermittent corruption, so test with another card if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.